In this video, we're going to look at an introduction into fractions. Now, what is a fraction, you might ask? Well, to try to keep it as simple as possible, it's some part of a whole unit. Now, fractions have two components to them. They have a number in the top of them, and they have a number in the bottom. The number in the top, we're going to refer to as a numerator going forward, and the number in the bottom of the fraction we're going to now refer to as the denominator. The denominator is going to be the number of partitions that we make in the unit, and then the numerator, that's going to be the number of the partitions that we are selecting. So let me try to show you a visual representation of this. If I wanted to make the denominator 2, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this one unit into two equal parts, and let's say that I have shading the left part here. Well, then that means that I have one out of the two parts, or we say that that is 1/2. Looking at another example, well, what if I want to break this one unit into 4 equal parts? And let's say that I'm now going to shade these amounts. So I now have 3 of those partitions, and I had 4 total, and we refer to this as 3/4. Now, it doesn't have to just be a circle. I could do any other shape. If I had this and I broke this into 3 equal parts, and I wanted to shade this, then I have 2 out of 3 parts shaded, or I have 2/3. And then one last example, we're going to break this rectangle into 7 parts. And if I were to shade these 3 pieces over here, I have 3 out of 7. And over here, another way of looking at it is that we have 4 out of 7 that are unshaded. And we'll explore more in the next video.